Here at Harlech is the origin of the legend of Branwen, a tragic epic story of marriage, betrayal, and a devastating war between Britain and Ireland. The kings of Wales and England had vied for control of North Wales since the 1070s, and the conflict was renewed during the 13th century.
Here we shall break their will. Build me a castle.
Harlech Castle was built by Edward I. It was part of his Iron Ring of castles. The entrance involved crossing a stone bridge. This led directly to the main gatehouse. Over the years, the castle played a key role in several wars. It survived a long attack from 1294 to 1295. In 1404, Prince Owain Glyndwr captured Harlech Castle. He used it as his home and headquarters until English forces took it back in 1409. For 7 long years, Harlech held out. This was the longest siege in British history.
We will never surrender!
When built, the sea came to the base of the cliff. Ships used the staircase to resupply defenders.
By order of Parliament, let this fortress be destroyed.